What is a Metasploit framework? The Metasploit project is an open source computer security project which provides an information about the security vulnerabilities and aids in penetration testing and IDS signature development. Now, IDS stands for intrusion detection. We'll come across each term in our coming section. Also, Metasploit is a framework which is used for hacking of different kinds of applications, operating systems, web applications, and etc. So, the Metasploit framework is a modular penetration testing platform that enables you to write, test, and execute exploit code. The Metasploit framework contains a suite of tools that you can use to test security vulnerabilities, enumerate networks, execute attacks, and evade detection. At its core, the Metasploit framework is a collection of commonly used tools that provide a complete environment for penetration testing and exploit development. So, in simple terms, we can say Metasploit framework is used to find the vulnerabilities of a machine and exploit it, which means hack into the system. So currently there are more than 1500 exploits available. Can you just imagine the amount of impact this framework creates? Now, let's quickly go through the history of Metasploit framework. It was first created by H.D. Murray in 2003 in Perl. And the follow-up project came in 2004, which is known as Metasploit 2.0. In 2007, Metasploit 3.0 was released. And in 2009, Metasploit was acquired by Rapid7. Then Metasploit Pro and Metasploit Express was developed.